minimum age of prime minister. Answer A 25 years. Minimum age of president. Answer C 35 years. Minimum age of vice president. Answer B 35 years. Minimum age of chief minister. Answer B 25 years. Minimum age of governor. Answer D 35 years. Minimum age of MP in Lok Sabha. Answer C 25 years. Minimum age of MP in Rajya Sabha. Answer C 30 years. Minimum age of MLA member of Legislative Assembly. Answer C 25 years. Minimum age of MLC member of Legislative Council. Answer C 30 years. Minimum age of Panchayat. Answer B 21 years. Minimum age of Chief Justice of India. Answer D no minimum age limit. Minimum age of other judge of Supreme Court. Answer D no minimum age limit. Minimum age of Attorney General of India. Answer C no minimum age limit. Minimum age of Lok Sabha Speaker. Answer B 25 years. Minimum age of Lok Sabha Deputy Speaker. Answer B 25 years. Minimum age of CAG of India, Comptroller and Auditor General. Answer C no minimum age limits. Minimum age of Chief Justice of High Courts. Answer C no minimum age limit. Minimum age of other judges of High Courts. Answer D no minimum age limit. Minimum age of Advocate General. Answer C no minimum age limit. Minimum age of Chief Election Commissioner of India. Answer C no minimum age limit. Minimum age limit for employment in a factory. Answer A 14 years. Minimum age for registration as a voter. Answer B 18 years.